Jason to come up over here. Come on up over here. Ring that bell, Jason. Congratulations, Jason. What did you close this week?
I closed the 2-bedroom in Makassar in Maritime City by DR.
All right. And why did your client buy this particular unit as compared to all the other projects that are out there?
Because we all know the coastline projects get more popular in Dubai, and the clients are looking for their project in the coastline, especially in Maritime City. I believe he knows their projects a lot, and I offer the 2-bedroom with the best price and with a very good view. It's a 30+ floor and with the ocean and the skyline view.
And this project's handing over soon as well, right? For relatively sooner than all
the other hand over, yes. Because the other project you have to wait for 3 or 4 years, and this project is like 1 year, 1 year and a half, or you will get it.
Wow. Big congratulations, Jason. Hopefully we see a lot more clothing from your side as well. Congratulations.